Looking for the best productivity tool for your Mac? Should you stick with Apple's built in Spotlight, upgrade to Alfred, or switch to Raycast? While all three help you launch apps and find files, they offer very different experiences. In this video, we'll compare the features, ease of use, pricing, and who each one is best for. Spotlight Overview. Let's start with the Spotlight, which comes pre-installed on every Mac. It's the simplest option and requires no setup. You can quickly launch apps, search files and folders, find emails and contacts, perform calculations, convert currencies and units, search the web, get quick definitions. With recent macOS updates, Spotlight has become faster and smarter than ever. However, it's still fairly limited. It doesn't support advanced automation, custom workflows, clipboard history, or third party extensions. Best for casual Mac users who just want fast file and app search without installing anything. Alfred Overview. Next is Alfred, one of the most popular productivity apps for macOS. Out of the box, Alfred offers fast app launching, file search, web search shortcuts, clipboard history, snippets for reusable text, contacts research. The real power comes with the Power Pack, a paid upgrade. Power Pack adds custom workflows, advanced automation, file actions, clipboard manager, system commands, integration with hundreds of apps. Alfred has an enormous community that has created thousands of workflows for apps like Chrome, Spotify, Slack, GitHub, and more. The downside, its interface feels a bit dated, and creating workflows can take some learning. Best for power users who love customization and automation. Raycast Overview. Now let's talk about Raycast, the newest competitor. Raycast combines a launcher with modern productivity features. It includes fast app launcher, file search, clipboard history, snippets, window management, AI assistance, quick links, calendar integration, emoji search, calculator, notes, team features. One of Raycast's biggest strengths is its extension store, where you can install hundreds of integrations in seconds. Popular extensions include GitHub, Notion, Jira, Figma, VS Code, ChatGPT, Google Drive, Spotify. Raycast also includes built in AI features for writing, coding, summarizing, translating, and brainstorming. Although some AI capabilities require a paid subscription, compared to Alfred, Raycast has a much more polished and beginner friendly interface. The only downside is that some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, and it can use slightly more system resources than Spotlight. Best for developers, creators, and professionals who want an all in one productivity hub. Feature comparison. Here's how they compare: ease of use, Spotlight easiest, Raycast modern and intuitive, Alfred powerful but takes time to master. Automation. Spotlight very limited, Alfred excellent, Raycast excellent. Extensions: Spotlight none, Alfred huge workflow library, Raycast huge extension store. AI features: Spotlight no built-in AI, Alfred depends on custom workflows, Raycast built-in AI tools. Pricing: Spotlight free, Alfred free version available, Power Pack is a one-time purchase, Raycast free version available, Pro subscription unlocks AI and advanced features. Final verdict and conclusion. Choose Spotlight if you just need quick searches and do not want extra software. Choose Alfred if you love automation, custom workflows, and prefer paying once instead of a subscription. Choose Raycast if you want the most modern experience with built in AI, a large extension ecosystem, and excellent productivity features right out of the box. For most users in 2026, Raycast offers the best overall balance of features, usability, and extensibility. While Alfred remains the top choice for users who want maximum customization, Spotlight is still excellent for those who prefer Apple's simple built in solution. If this comparison helped you decide, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and goodbye.